Alright guys, welcome back to the Houston Kilby YouTube channel. I got my good buddy Jesse here with me tonight.
Yeah, man.
I'm going to be putting some work on him here tonight. We got kind of full send in all directions here on the Jeep, as you guys can tell from all the videos we've been putting up. So, we got something cool in for the Jeep. That is the toolbox. So the customer had hollered out this and was like, hey, I'd like to have a toolbox to be able to put, you know, ratchets and screwdrivers and that sort of thing in. And I found this toolbox. It's a Deezee name brand there. It's got a lock on it, it's got a latch on it, and it's going to work pretty good for this Jeep. But it has a couple of problems, alright? Number one, when I open the lid up, cutie butt, if you would come on over here on this side. When you open the lid up, it's hitting the roll cage right here in this location. Well, I don't want that, because when it gets powder coated, it's going to tear this all up and it's going to scratch our box. Secondly, I don't like how high this box sits up on the Jeep here. It's kind of giving the Jeep like a work truck look, and that's fine and all, but I think if we lower this box down just a little bit, it's going to really clean this thing up and make it look really slick. So, if you'll come on over here, Hannah, I'm going to have Jesse start out with one cut. We're going to cut this corner out in this box right here because of this tapered section in the body. So if we cut this out, that's going to do two things. It's going to bring the box back into here, and it's going to give it kind of like this box was made to fit this thing, and it's also going to drop the box down just a little bit. We're going to see what that looks like. I have a sinking feeling that we're going to have to end up cutting this big long one up here in the end, is what I think is going to end up having to happen. But we're going to see what it looks like with just this one chunk out. We'll pull it on over, reassess our valuation here, and we'll go from there. So, Mr. Jesse, let's get to cutting.
Let's rock and roll.
And I appreciate your help, man.
Not a problem, man. Like a nice box don't even satisfy them.
Y'all talking something over there?
Pretty much. Bingo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Turned a $100 box and probably about a $25 box.
Okay.
You mean a $269 box?
Okay, a $265 box into a $100 box. See if it'll fit now.
Oh, let's see here.
I think that's gonna work, dude. Is this open good?
Clear that. We're still
It
hitting
hits
that
it like
too.
right there.
Yeah. Alright, see what it looks like here. Alright. Okay. We will need to make up a second cut. I was hoping we wouldn't have to, but
Wow, wow, wow.
yeah.
Nothing ever that simple.
Alright, keep that come on over here and let's show the folks at home what the reason is. Alright, so we made that first cut and it dropped the box down here onto the floor, which is good. That's what we wanted. Before it was sticking up about 1.25 inches. Alright, so we got that good. We got this line following the body line here, which is good. But I had a feeling with that first cut that this was still going to hit back here, and it does. And you can see it right here. It's still hitting on the tube, so we still need to go back that way, and this next cut should take care of that. Should take care of that problem right there. So we'll have Jesse take the box back out, make another cut, And for long, you should get pretty good with that cutoff wheel.
Oh man, I'm telling you, if you got straight lines, I can make it happen. But don't put a radius on the end of that line, by correct.
That is true right there. We had a couple of jobs that we'd done a while back.
Yeah.
And getting Mr. Jesse to do a radius cut. What I mean by radius, like instead of going into a corner like this, and you want a radius put in there.
It ain't happening, bro.
They ain't happening.
Ain't happening. Whether you like it or not, it ain't gonna happen.
I can tell Jesse 10 times, like, all right, Jesse, we got a radius in this corner. You make sure and you get that radius in there. I'll come over and 2 seconds later, nope.
Yeah.
Load right into the corner.
That's like in fenders.
Yeah.
That's how we discovered that. But luckily we made it happen with radiuses.
Yeah, we was lucky to get radiuses on that job. But yeah. This is the things that you learn when you're working with people. Sometimes you just gotta understand, well, he's not gonna be able to get the radiuses.
The simple-minded man in the high-tech world.
That's right. Short corner Jesse. All right, man, you can take this thing back out and cut that next section there and then let me know.
That'll work. That bird got me back on the ground again. Man, maybe pull that slick off that Pontiac, I bet you 20 times yesterday. Felt like I run 15 marathons that week. The Wednesday was I finally come out of my soreness.
Oh, Lord.
Oh. You ever want to feel like it's riding a bull, go ahead and take a slick off a car for a while.
Pain your game.
Bingo, bango. See what you think about it, boss man.
Ooh,
A lot better.
like it already.
Look at that.
Yeah. Hey, it's like we've got a cushion right here.
That's it, man.
That's right.
Made in America, get it every time.
That's right. Oh yeah, this fit looks a whole lot better. Yeah.
That'll
Liking
work.
that. Yeah. Alrighty guys, so Mr. Jesse just made that last cut, and this is looking way better back in here. I like the way this is looking. I like how this is looking up here too. It's clean looking, but I'm very picky when I'm doing stuff. You can ask Jesse. I'm constantly like, nah, we're going to have to cut this again.
Amen.
That's just how it is. But there's something that I'm seeing here. This box is still sticking up just a little bit high. Hannah, if you want to, come on over here on this side. We'll look at it. This box is still sticking up quite a bit right in here. And this would probably be okay in most applications, and it's probably fine as it is, but I just don't quite like how it looks. And if you also, Hannah, if you look down in here, see this gap right here? We got about 2.5 inch, 3 inch gap right in here in this area. I'm just wanting to drop this down 2 inches right here. It'll get this area in here touching this inner fender, and that'll make me happy. But that's what we're gonna do. I want that box down just a little bit more. It's still got that work truck look, and I think if we just clean this up a little bit, get it down in here, I think it'll just make it look better. It's those little things, probably nobody would never even notice it, but it's me, I'm picky. So I'm gonna get Jesse more practice on cutting stuff apart.
Picky man.
You know what to do now, Jess.
That's it.
That's it. All right, let's do it.
Woo!
Bingo.
Alright, let me get over here.
That better satisfy your honey.
Oh yeah. I'm hearing a little bit of frustration.
Telling you.
Yeah, that's a lot better.
Oh, yeah, that's clean looking.
Yeah. Good job, Jesse. Looks good, man.
$1 million, I'll take it in payments.
That's
You
right.
get a gold star.
Smiley face. Okay, welded up.
Yeah, you got another thing coming on that, dude.
We still trying to get old Jesse caught up on the welding deal. He's still
I'm
got a
getting
lot
there.
learning.
Slowly but surely.
Yeah, he's doing good though. He's been practicing on different stuff. I get him on it, but he's doing good on the MIG stuff. We still got to work on him on the TIG stuff there, but we're getting there, boys. All right, so now it's time. Gotta get Jesse to cut out some diamond plate, and we'll fill that back in.
Thank you, Anna.
Good. Alrighty guys, we got our angle down. We're gonna bend this piece out. You know, normally I don't try to use anything thick on this bender here on this pan brake, but this one was really easy to do. We're not even clamping down hard on it, and we're just gonna get a little bit of bend here going, help me keep a straight line. See what this looks like. Got a little bit more to go. Should be getting close. There it is. Right there, guys. We got our piece. Well, look here, boys. We look like we know what we're doing.
Feel?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Tacking on. We're in good shape. Alright guys, Mr. Jesse got done cutting it up. I went ahead and welded this thing back up. This diamond plate is a beast to weld up because it's so thin, but it turned out okay. At least it's all hid. But anyways, yeah, I'm happy with it. That looks way, way better. Yeah, don't zoom on welds too much. That's horrible. But
I get stitched together.
yeah. Anyways, we got our welded together. This is very, very thin diamond plate. It is a beast to weld. You really need to weld this like a spool gun or something like that, just to make it look better. But I tried to even it up to where it looked like the rest of it, the way it was made from a factory. So it looks good. I like the way all this is fitting now. It looks like it actually goes with the Jeep. So this thing is ready to be mounted down. And there we are. All we'll do is we will drill holes in the bottom of it, back here at the back. And then we will drill holes up here. And that's how we'll mount it down. And this thing will be in good shape. But that's it for this video. It's like 4 o'clock in the morning again.
Amen.
And Jesse's about to pass out on us.
Working second shift, then come in here.
Yeah.
That's gonna make an old man out of him.
That's right. I think he's worried I'm gonna have him do a radius cut here in a little bit or something.
I know.
Or cut on this thing some more.
There ain't gonna be no toolbox there.
That's right. Anyways, that's it for us. Be sure to like, share, subscribe. We appreciate you. Jesse, give a shout out to your car show coming up here.
Oh
real
yeah.
soon.
July 17th, 1708, Miami Drive at my church. We're having the Hoopty Kings actually having a car show. Trophies are going to be there. Everything's going to be a good time. So yeah, if you're here locally, or heck, if you're out of state, come on. We're all for a good time. So, but if you're here locally, I can't talk. Anyways, if you're here locally, come on down. So. If you keep up with him on Facebook and all that jazz, he keeps on sharing my stuff. So, yeah, come on down, guys. You guys have a good one. Like, share, and subscribe. We'll all have a party on YouTube.
We'll see you guys.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Don't forget to go over to KillerMotorsports.com where we've got all kinds of merch over there and all kinds of high performance products as well. And definitely a big shout out to our sponsors and partners. Till next time, you guys have a good one.